Hi, so welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I want to quickly show you how to make payments on Selar, one of the top digital marketplaces in Nigeria, and that serves African creators as a whole, course creators, coaches, consultants, etc. Now, many people still have a problem with paying online. They keep asking for bank accounts that they can make manual transfers to. Now, you've got to realize that the world is moving away from those kind of payments. No coach, no course creator who has hundreds or thousands of students to attend to will have the time to sit down. It's not even financially smart for them to have a team that will keep confirming payments manually, especially when the payments are low priced payments. So this tutorial is to show you how to make payments on Selar hassle free. Now you have to realize that Selar is powered by one of the top digital payments platforms in Africa called Flutterwave. Now, when you get to this page, depending on what you're buying from me or anybody else, when you get to this page and you click the buy now button, you might see this option, you might not. Just click on, you could ignore them and then just click on checkout. And then when you click on checkout, it will ask you to enter your details. You enter your details, you enter the phone number, your name and everything, and then you click on pay now. When you do that, the page is going to reload and it's going to automatically connect to Flutterwave. Now, you are going to have two options of payment. In fact, there are several options, but the two major options are usually card payments and transfer. Card payments and transfer. Now, because of the way I have set up, as I set my payment options previously, it's showing me transfer by default. But if I were to come down here, in your own case, you may see card. Now, this is often the default page that you will see. Now, all you need to do is you enter your card details, you fill in your card details, and then you click on pay. And then, of course, they will ask you for your PIN, and then they will also send you an OTP. And once you make that payment, you simply wait for the page to redirect you. Once they confirm your payment, you get redirected. That's card payments. That's as simple as it is. Now, sometimes you might have issues with card payments. Maybe the servers may be down, experiencing a downtime and all that. So in that case, you can, instead of asking the course creator for a bank account detail, all you need to do is scroll down. When you get to the page and you're shown this, scroll down, or maybe you don't even want to use card at all. You want to use any other payment option. So you click on change payment method and you click on bank transfer. And what it will do is that it will automatically generate a bank account for you. Now, this is only available for Nigerians. It will generate a bank account number for you. You copy that bank account number and then you take it to any of your apps, your banking app. You open the banking app and you transfer the money. You make sure you transfer the exact amount of money. Otherwise, the system would not confirm it and they will reverse the money back to you in 24 hours. So once you have paid and it has gone through, then you simply come back here, you scroll down and you click on I have made this bank transfer. And once that happens, you wait for the system to confirm your payment and then redirect you to your purchase. Do not close the payment page once you are done paying. Simple and short. That is all that you need to do. It's not complex at all. So that's it. Cheers.